Okay, so this requires some thought, some planning, okay? So we have 3 o'clock. That means we have an hour hand and the minute hand. We know something about the way these things move around. Okay, so it's speed, but it's angular speed. It's rotational speed. You know the hour hand? Hour hand speed? Okay, let's say speed of our hour hand. In 1 hour, it just moves 1 tick, right? From all these different ticks. This 1 tick. So how many spaces are there in the clock? 1, right? Actually, there's 2 ticks here. There is 12, right? So 1 tick must be 360 divided by 12, which is 30 degrees. So it spins 30 degrees per hour. Or 30 degrees in 60 minutes, which is a 0.5 degree rotation per minute. What's the speed of the minute hand? The minute hand spins 1 full 360 degrees in 60 minutes, right? So that reduced to 6 degrees per minute. So there's another concept of angular distance. At 3 o'clock, right? Let's say this is the start point. Typically we say the 12 o'clock is start. How much did the minute hand actually spin? Nothing, right? So the distance, the angular distance of the minute hand is 0, but it's gonna start spinning at 6 degrees per minute. So this is the equation we get. Distance is equal to 6t. The distance of the hour hand, it already traveled how many degrees? 90 degrees. And it's going to continue to spin at 0.5 t. The question is, when do they meet? That's the same thing as, when are these two distances equal to each other? Distance of the minute hand, distance of the hour hand. If they're equal to each other, that means they meet. Right? Does that make sense? Okay, so the two variables, right, is distance and time. Look at it. Distance and time. D is equal to 6t. D is equal to 90 plus 0.5t. That's two equations, right? But it's a little bit more tricky. How do we use these two? It's when they equal to each other that the two clock hand will meet.
So like 60 equals
That will tell us exactly when they will meet. Okay? When they will meet. That's 5.5t is equal to 90. I'm going to multiply both of them by 10. So you get 55t is equal to 900. Divide both sides by 5. 11t is equal to 1 and 8. So t is 180 over 11. Okay, so I get 16 minutes and 6 over 11 of a minute. I can change 6 over 11 of a minute into seconds. Times it by 60 seconds. So that's 360 divided by 11 seconds. That's approximately 33 seconds. So 16 minutes and 33 seconds. So what time do they meet?
3:16.
That's right. They meet at 3:16, 33 seconds. You cannot look at your watch and do that, okay? It's impossible to get it that accurate.